Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace thermostat on a 2016 GMC Yukon step by step. Start by disconnecting the battery and draining enough coolant to lower the level below the thermostat housing. Work on a cool engine and use gloves and eye protection. Label hoses and bolts as you remove them. Keep a container for drained coolant and clean the housing surface before installing the new thermostat. In this video, I will explain how to replace thermostat on a 2016 GMC Yukon step by step. Begin by assembling tools and the correct thermostat for 2016 GMC Yukon specifications. Verify you have the proper gasket and coolant type. Prepare a clean workspace and place the drain pan under the radiator petcock. Label any hoses or connectors you remove to simplify reassembly and prevent mistakes later on. In this video, I will review how to replace thermostat on a 2016 GMC Yukon step by step. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker is perfect for setting timers and hands-free help while you work, and it brings a bit of music to the garage, which makes wrenching more fun. If you like tools and tech, consider grabbing one from the description for deals and links. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to replace thermostat on a 2016 GMC Yukon step by step. After draining coolant, loosen bolts and remove the thermostat housing carefully. Note the thermostat orientation before removal and clean the surface thoroughly. Fit the new thermostat with the spring facing the engine, install a new gasket, and torque bolts to spec. Refill coolant, run the engine, and bleed air until temperature stabilizes and heater runs hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.